Want to create this cool effect in CapCut? This effect is called checklist effect, and it's really easy to do in CapCut. Let me show you how to do it. Alright, first thing, open up your Notes app on your phone or your tablet. Make sure you've got dark mode on and start screen recording. Now just write out a to-do list or whatever you feel like. Once you're done, turn it into a checklist and add a few tasks like this. After that, check off all the tasks like they are done and save the screen recording. Next step, record a clip of yourself pretending to tick off the task with your finger. Just fake it like you're actually tapping each one. Just a quick reminder, if you are serious about video editing, I've created a course that takes you from absolute beginner to building a profitable remote video editing career no matter where you are in the world. If that sounds like something you are interested in, just hit the link below and I'll see you in the inside. Now open CapCut and start a new project. Import both clips, the screen recording and the one of you pretending to check stuff off. Put your main clip on the timeline. Then scroll to the part where your hands start moving up. At the exact point, drag the screen recording clip and line it up right here. With this clip highlighted, go on the right side, click on Mask, then choose Rectangle. Resize the mask so it just covers your task list. Head over to Basics, turn on the blend, and if it's off, just tap it and choose Screen from the blend modes. And now you've got the transparent background. Move it over and drag the playhead to the part where your finger starts tapping. That's where your checklist should sit. You can resize it or move it around to line things up better. Then find the frame where your finger pulls away from the first check mark and hit Command+B to cut the top clip. Go forward slowly until the check mark lights up yellow, then go back one frame and cut it again. Now just slide those clips back together. Now just repeat the same process for every check mark, cut, adjust and line it up. Once you have done them all, hit play and we've got this cool animation going on. But let's take it up a bit more and make it even more fun to watch. We're gonna add some sound effects to make it pop even more. So head up to Audio tab, go to Sound Effects and search for something like Cheek Pop Sound. When you find it, just hit the plus button to drop it into your timeline. Then slide it over so it lines up perfectly with the tap moment. Now just copy and paste the same sound effect to each spot where you tap a check mark. It adds a nice little pop every time we tap on that check mark. And that's it, we have this cool video effect.